Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to Server Gyan. My name is Dr. Lokendra Singh, and today we are going to discuss very interesting thing. So as we know, like there are so many startups which are struggling with funds, and at the very initial level, whenever any startup is just going to raise fund, and other things are going on, so they need a lot of funding. They need a lot of amount to spend, maybe onto their services and maybe onto their other components. So AWS has come up with a very beautiful idea, which is known as Activate for Startup. What does it do? I'm going to tell you. So if you have sort of your all the documents ready, then you can definitely begin with it. So first of all, like if you're going to get started, you can build your startup on AWS. It means AWS is going to fund some credits within your account. So out of which, let us say if you are going to like founders packages. So if you are a founder of any organization, and if you are going to start your services, and if you want to utilize your services on the top of AWS, then definitely AWS will grant you 1000 USD in your account. So all the like amount you can use up to 2 years. So if your like expenses are less than $1000, so definitely you can activate this particular service. Moreover, out of this, you are going to get $350 for spending on support. Out of this particular value, out of $1000, you will have to spend $350 for taking developer support, right? So this is one additional feature, like this one plus this one you are going to get. Moreover, like if you have a like good portfolio package, like if you have a particular running startup, you have small funds as well, like some of the organization are already associated with you. So in that case, what is going to happen? AWS will provide you up to 1 lakh USD. Definitely this will be provided on AWS activate credits. If you activate this particular service for AWS, then definitely AWS is going to help you this much. Apart from this, like definitely AWS business trial plan, you will get up to $10,000 credit, which is really huge amount, and definitely you will have to utilize that for support credit only, right? Now, what are the other things, or what are the other conditions which you have to fulfill in order to activate this plan? So first of all, personalized guidance. So AWS team will advise you, they will guide you, and whatever new services are going to come, and definitely like if you want to incorporate with AWS, so AWS will AWS might introduce you to new customers as well, which are related to your organization, which are related to your product, right? Co-marketing opportunities. So opportunities to be featured on AWS startup blog and to speak at AWS summit, which are known as reInvent. So AWS keeps on AWS is always in market, and definitely they keep on telling about their opportunities. So you will also get a chance to speak in AWS summits, wherein you can tell that how has AWS helped you in order to bring from your previous position to and current one. And obviously like customer acquisition also, this is also one option there, like escalation of user adoption through the Amazon network. So all the like customers which are on the platform of Amazon, so you can get a chance in order to bring down the customer onto your platform. Let us say AWS has a customer which you want to acquire. So as you know, like multiple startups are there, and you want to incorporate with some other startups, so definitely these are the particular features which you can utilize. Now, what are the AWS like AWS Activate providers? So these are going to be the partners which are already utilizing the features of it, and definitely these are the startups which are already on the platform, and you might get a chance to have a networking with them, right? So if you want to apply for it, so what are the things which you need to get? So you will have to select the particular feature, what particular plan you want to activate, either for like founders or either for portfolio package. So for portfolio, you need to have multiple components here. I'm going to explain. First of all, when you hit here at get started option, so what you are going to see here, so you will have to provide if I want to apply my credits to this account, if I'm eligible for any AWS activate credits, right? So if I'm going to say like this is for support and this is for your scalability, I'll hit here. Then after I'll have to provide the information of my company. So everything, every sort of information I will have to provide here. And obviously like AWS is going to ask me like when was your company founded. So everything, this sort of information. Apart from this, like AWS might ask for remaining option as well, like tell us about your funding. So how, like if you have any funding, no evaluation, or less than this or less than that. So these sort of information you will have to provide in order to get this plan activated, right? When your product plan to be launched, So you will have to like give information that when you are planning, how much is like how much you are planning to get, like if you are into discussion with for funding with multiple investors, so you will have to like provide this sort of information here. After providing this much detail, so definitely you will be allowed, obviously the particular detail whatever you are going to provide, so AWS will evaluate that, and if you are found a match where AWS can land or where AWS can like issue grant for you, so definitely you will be allowed for that. Same thing if you talk about like portfolio packaging, so this is also like or you will have to define your organization ID here, right? Then after incubator, seeds or venture fund if you have. So what are the particular organizations which are incorporated with, which are accepted by AWS? So these are the particular vendors, these are the particular components which AWS is going to support. That these are the particular providers here, right? So this is a new feature of AWS, and definitely if you are a startup firm, if you are planning to escalate or if you are planning to scale your infrastructure, then definitely you can, being a startup, you can use these sort of features for you, right? So this is it for this video, guys. This was just for information. Like these are some of the new services which you can take advantage of if you are a startup, right? So thank you so very much. Have a good time and happy learning. If you have any further questions, so do let me know. I will be happy to assist you on that. Have a good time and happy learning.